channel. Today, we're going to be decorating cupcakes! So I just want to thank Jessie's Sweet Treats so much for sending us this decorating cupcake kit.
And she also gave us this card.
Let's read it, Maya.
Okay. Hey girls, I hope you enjoyed this activity
In which you can create a treat that you can then eat. Hope this puts a smile on your face. Make sure you share with Jessie, my brother. I'd love to see your creation. Tag me, Jessie Sweet Treats. XOXO Jessica. Oh, thank you so much. So now, it's time to say what we have. So we each have one chocolate and one vanilla cupcake. We have this purple and pink frosting.
we have some white, blue, and pink
Sprinkles.
crushed Oreos, and 4 cherries for each.
Those are optional.
Optional, yeah.
Kit originally came with 6 cupcakes, but my brother ate both of those cupcakes. So now we have 4 left.
Wait, he had 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate.
So let's get to it. So just so you guys know, the kit does not bring the piping tips or the cherries.
We just wanted to add them.
Yeah, so let's do this. So,
Oh, and she fighted me to get the pink back, so.
so we're gonna start with the pink on the vanilla. So wait, how do I do it? Okay. So we're just gonna, oh wow. Watch it! Look at it!
I'm working here, people.
Okay, so I'm gonna make like this is so pretty. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Tank.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You mean thank you?
You said thank you. It sounds like thank you. You're welcome, by the way. We're cheering you up because of this.
That's not cheering.
I said cheering. Okay.
I'm gonna try to make a good cookie. Done.
Okay, so now it's time to move on to chocolate.
It's gonna be better than that one. Wait, that looks like a sandcastle with 2 towers in it.
Okay,
Icy? It tastes good.
The best.
The best there ever was.
This is so hard to maneuver.
I told you.
You never said anything about that. My heart is even bad for that one.
It's not. It's better.
I can't. Wait. Okay, you know what? We're gonna try our best here. Okay, like look at this. This is like more creative than this.
That looks worse than mine.
No, it does not. Mine is taller.
Can I use that? I need to fix this.
Ugh. Boom, shakalaka. Okay, like look at this. Like look at this compared to this and that. Okay, now it's time for toppings. Woo woo! Okay, so we're gonna add this pink one right here. Oh, look at this. Take a screenshot.
Mine actually looks better now. It's just have to.
Oh yeah, totally.
Totally looks good. I saw that. Girl, I'm trying. Let's see with the corner.
Shush, Maya.
Stop using all the big ones.
Have me back.
Ugh. Stop!
Maya, we're recording. This is actually hilarious. I want the small ones. And the big ones.
Oh, look at Cookie Crumble.
Oh, Yay.
No, mine looks like
Halloween party. Okay, we're gonna take these.
Come on.
We're gonna put this.
Ready? Hell, you know karate should like.
How's the karate?
Stop with that one.
Oh yes. Everybody,
Okay.
What else? Now we're gonna take these. Okay, we need to crush these because these are like. Oh yeah, get in there. Yep. Oh yes.
What? Only the white sprinkles are coming out.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. 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 Everybody say yeah.
Say no. Say oh no, Miah.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oof. Beautiful. So,
My pigment actually looks better than yours. No offense.
no, it doesn't.
Just do. Just do. Just do. Well, mine definitely. My purple definitely.
Oh well, I love Oreos, so. Stop it. That's a lot.
These are the Oreos.
Stop! Look at that. Para! I'm warning you. That's just it. We're gonna
Oh, look, the black actually gives it a little touch. Just gonna. I didn't know there were hearts in here. Who said that?
Okay, so we're just, fixing this because she will. Oh, yeah.
Oh my
Stop.
god.
Okay. Just take like a pic.
Guys, mine actually looks pretty good. Better than hers.
Oh, you jelly or what? No, I'm not.
R2.
I'm using like every single bit of these sprinkles.
Stop. I need to find like.
Beautiful. My
I'm gonna add some of these.
My fingers are literally a mess right now. This cupcake is so heavy because it literally tastes like gold. Oof. Okay, now we're gonna add a little dollop here with this pink and right here. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now it's time to put the cherry on top.
I don't even want to put a cherry on.
Okay.
Watch your hand going like Haley.
Yes, this is mine. Like beautiful. I need the other side.
I'm done.
Let's put it slanted. Oh, just take a screenshot.
No, take a screenshot on mine.
No, but look at this one.
This looks better than hers, right? Right?
You guys, actually, you know what? Vote for my cupcakes by giving us a like on this video.
Vote for my cupcakes and smash that subscribe button.
Bye! Oh wait, now it's time to taste. Let's take these cherries off. Now we're just gonna. Yes, girly. I never tried these cupcakes.
Oh my, they're beautiful.
I tried them.
Guys, isn't this one better than hers?
So I tried the chocolate, but I've never tried the vanilla. So let's try it. This. Dos. Unos. 3, 2, 1.
I don't want to. Tell me. I don't want to ruin mine. We both have the same thing. Do I have to? Ah!
This cupcake is good. Thank you, Jessie, Sweet Treats, for sending us this kit.
Bye!
So first I'm gonna start with the purple since she took the pink. We're gonna
And
do the
she
purple.
originally wanted to start with this one.
So we're gonna do the purple on the chocolate one. I'm scared.
I don't know how to do this. I've never done this before.
I have.